In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up the same Microsoft Outlook email address. Whether you're looking to streamline your communication across multiple devices or simply need to re-add your account for quick access, these steps will guide you effortlessly through the process. First, you'll want to open your Outlook app. This is your starting point, whether you're doing this on your computer or a mobile device. Once you have the app open, take a moment to ensure everything is working properly before proceeding. It's always a good idea to make sure the software is up to date, as this can prevent any unexpected issues during setup. Next, you'll see a home screen that typically displays your inbox or a welcome message. Here, you'll find an option to add an account. This is usually located in the Settings or Preferences menu, but Outlook might automatically prompt you to add an account if none are currently registered. If prompted, simply follow the cues to proceed. Now, click on the Add Account option. This will open up a new window or prompt in the app asking for your email address. At this point, you'll need to enter the email address you wish to set up. It's crucial to type your email carefully to avoid any errors that can cause login issues down the line. Once your email address is entered correctly, continuing will take you to the next stage. You may need to provide some additional details after entering your email address, such as your password. This is a standard security measure to ensure that only you have access to your email account. Type in your password slowly to make sure it is correct, especially if it includes a mix of characters and numbers. After entering your password, Outlook will begin the process of linking your email account to the app. This step might take a few moments as it verifies your information and syncs your emails. If asked, allow the app the necessary permissions to access your emails and notifications. This will enable Outlook to fetch your emails and display them within the app. Once everything is verified, you should receive a confirmation. You'll then see your email appear in the list within the Outlook app, and you can begin accessing your messages. It's a good idea to send a test email to confirm everything is working smoothly. If you encounter any issues, double-check your email and password, or consider contacting Microsoft support for further assistance. By following these straightforward steps, you'll have successfully set up your Outlook email on a new device or re-added it to your existing setup. This will help you stay connected across whichever devices you use. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing!